Hello space explorers, and welcome back to our cosmic journey. Today, we're diving into a dramatic hypothetical scenario. What would happen if Comet 3I Atlas, a celestial visitor from the far reaches of our solar system, were on a collision course with Mars? Let's venture into this epic cosmic event. First, let's get acquainted with our players. Mars, the red planet, is Earth's smaller, colder neighbor, with a thin atmosphere and a history that might have once harbored water. Then there's Comet 3I Atlas, discovered in 2019. It's an interstellar object, meaning it originated from outside our solar system. Imagine a giant, icy snowball, a mixture of frozen gases, rock, and dust, hurtling through the cosmos at incredible speeds. So, what happens at the moment of impact? The collision would be nothing short of cataclysmic. As 3I Atlas slams into Mars, it would release an unimaginable amount of energy, far exceeding the power of all nuclear weapons on Earth combined. The impact site would instantly vaporize, creating a massive crater, potentially hundreds of kilometers wide. This colossal explosion would send shockwaves rippling through the Martian crust, triggering planet-wide Marsquakes that could shatter its surface. A gigantic plume of vaporized rock, dust, and cometary ice would be blasted high into the Martian sky. This isn't just a dust cloud. We are talking about a significant portion of Mars' surface being ejected into its thin atmosphere and even into space. Now, let's consider the aftermath. The immense heat from the impact would melt subsurface ice reserves, possibly creating a temporary, vast lake or even an ocean in the impact basin. The vaporized water and gases from the comet, like carbon dioxide and methane, would be injected directly into Mars' atmosphere. This sudden influx would dramatically thicken the atmosphere, at least for a while. What does a thicker atmosphere mean? It means a stronger greenhouse effect. The planet would warm up significantly. With more atmosphere, air pressure would rise, potentially allowing liquid water to remain stable on the surface for longer than just a fleeting moment. It's a fascinating thought. A violent collision could, in a way, kickstart a process of terraforming, making Mars slightly more Earth-like. However, this newfound warmth wouldn't necessarily be pleasant. The global dust cloud would block out the faint sunlight, plunging Mars into a long, dark impact winter. Temperatures might initially drop before the greenhouse gases take full effect and begin to warm the planet. Over thousands of years, as the dust settles, a new, warmer and wetter Mars could emerge. The chemical soup delivered by the comet, rich in organic compounds, might even provide the essential building blocks for life, seeding the newly formed bodies of water. Could this event create a new cradle for life in our solar system? Or would it be a temporary, chaotic transformation that eventually fades, returning Mars to its cold, desert state? The possibilities are as vast as space itself. While Comet 3I Atlas is safely on its own trajectory, this thought experiment shows us the powerful, creative and destructive forces that shape planets and solar systems. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Could a cosmic collision be the key to transforming Mars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the universe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.